Hi, this is a quick video going over one of the special cases of factoring. Now I'm going to start with a problem that's actually not factoring. If you ever see this binomial, two things in parentheses and it's squared, what you want to do is you want to write it twice. So I'll write 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Because that's what it means to square something, multiply it by itself 2 times. So then you can multiply it out. Take 2x times both of these. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times the 1 is 2x. Then I'm going to take 1 times both of them in the second binomial. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times 1 is 1. And then I'm going to notice that I can add these together. And I get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. What I notice is that when I have a binomial squared and I write it twice, this first number is a perfect square, and so is that last one, because 2x times 2x and 1 times 1. Just something to think about. So now I want to factor these. Now you might look at this first one and think, oh gosh, I got to do that crazy grouping thing. And although we are getting very good at it, if I ever notice that I have perfect squares, sometimes I like to just guess and check what would be inside the parentheses. We know that whatever this times this is gives me that first one. So what times what gives me 4x squared? Well, that would be 2x and 2x. And then I look here at the end, and you actually could do this for any problems with do it by guess and check. But I find it easy to do guess and check if my numbers are perfect squares. Then I think, what two numbers multiplied together give me positive 25? And I think 5 and 5. And then I check to see if the middle term works out. So if I multiplied these out, 2x times 2x gave me the 4x squared. That's right. But to get this term in the middle, 2x times 5 gives me 10x, and 5 times 2x gives me 10x. Together, they are 20x. And then we already made sure that the 5 times the 5 gave me the 25. So your teacher might call this, like when you do the outside, and I multiplied, I got 10, and the inside I got 10, that does give me 20. Now if I ever see that they are the same, I could just simply write it as it factors into the binomial square. Let's try another one. Sliding up here. Oh, look, 9's a perfect square, and so is 49. Now again, I could do that crazy grouping thing, but I think I might try this one by guessing and checking. What times what is 9x squared? That would be 3x and 3x. What times what is 49? Now let's keep in mind the middle term is negative. I'm actually going to try negative 7 and negative 7. And then I'm going to check to see if it works. Obviously 3x times 3x gave me the 9x squared. And my negative 7 times my negative 7 gave me this. So I will check the outside and the inside when I'm multiplying them. Negative 21x and negative 21x together does give you that. So then you can write your final answer, since they are the same, as 3x minus 7, the quantity squared. I think I may try to do one more here. Maybe one that's maybe a little bit easier to do so you can see it right away. Let me erase this. And I'll just try one like x squared, let's say, plus 20x plus 100. Now there is a 1 here, so you can always go back to multiplies together, give you 100, adds to give you 20, and those numbers are 10 and 10. So it's x plus 10 and x plus 10, which is better written as x plus 10, the quantity squared. The only reason that this one might seem a little quicker is that I didn't have a number here, or there's a 1 there, which again is a perfect square. Like if you see a perfect square here and here, it makes the problem a little bit easier. So best of luck.